Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how steps to solve the issue of we have money on hold. Since you haven't confirmed your US taxpayer status, payments you receive for goods and services are on hold. Confirm your taxpayer status to end the US tax ID hold and avoid 24% backup withholding. So you can see that when someone sends money and you work with different people in different countries, so someone can send money and PayPal decides to hold it and there's nothing you can do. But anyway, I've submitted everything, so I wanted to give you some tips on how to do this or avoid this. What you got to do firstly, if you're gonna be receiving a lot of money, make your company to be your PayPal account to be converted to company. So I think this would help you PayPal not to much give you some issues on that. Yeah, so what I did, I submitted my ID. After submitting my ID, I explained on each and every. Let me say this. Let me give you this. Okay. Confirm your yes. What I say yes. You can see it wants me to log in again. After logging in, I don't think I have to do that because you see it gives me this, but let me cancel this. I'm gonna go home again. You can see it gives you this, but I did all this already, so I don't know why. Okay, let me try to go here. Click this. Once you click here, they said my stuff was on review. Maybe let me go to this page. Okay, they say okay. Let me click here. Then I say yes. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go back here. You know, we have to read first before you do something. Click that message, and it's gonna ask you a question. I submitted it and showed review. Okay, it said, is this account holder a US entity? He said no, it's not. We're not from the USA. That's why it's very important to read. Okay, in this, is the account holder a US entity, US citizen, or under US tax law? He said no. Okay. PO box additional add address, PO box not accepted. Right, that's good. I'm gonna put which one did I, 148. Okay, I'm gonna use this suburb, we'll say Orange Grove. Use that. Town, we can tell you and say Johannesburg. Okay, postcode 2192, and after that you say by clicking submit and under penalties of, okay, jury I certify that. Okay, then you do that, you select that, then after first name, last name, say later. Okay, then we submit. Okay, it says something went wrong. What is that went wrong? Okay, let's see. Something went wrong. Confirm your US taxpayer. No, that one. Okay, no. First name. Okay, yeah. Basonia. It was not made right. Basonia. I think this could be the reason why. Basonia. Baso. It's gonna be. Wait, guys. Okay, let's submit again. It says something wrong, went wrong, confirm, and all that. Okay, but what could be the problem? We've done everything they wanted, but I don't seem to be. Something went wrong. Maybe because I did it. Yes, that's the problem. You can see here. Yes, I did it before, but you can see how I've done it now, guys. Yeah, so it doesn't allow me to do it again. So, but you've seen the steps which I've used. So this account is now in review. We'll be able to access your funds until we complete our review. So we need some time to do what, to wait for them to finish the review. So I did it, I'm sorry, before, of which I wasn't even sure of how to do that. The money which is held here is 470 US dollars. So that's why they say a tax ID hold updating. So we're waiting for that. When you click on that, let's see what they're saying. We are sorry, this current unavailable, please try again later. So that's not a stress, guys. Keep on you know, these guys, it depends on which country where you are, but if you are in the US, you got to say you are a US taxpayer. If you're not, you're in a different country like me, also you have to select that option, the one I have showed you. So now the account, we can't proceed with what we see. You can see this is the different one, which is a this is a different one. Because of what? Because of because here before we had not submitted, but the second one, it shows that we did submit everything. So in that case, you have to follow the steps as I have done. You click here and say submit info to access your funds. You get me? When you click here, it's gonna give you that screen whereby it's gonna give a chance to explain where you got the money and all of that. You get me? In case you get a different screen, it could happen, like maybe if you have a different account in different countries, they might be having different laws and different screens and different explanations. So I'm in a country whereby it's almost a Western country, but if you find like the country from the West or something like that, from the East, you know, it becomes sometimes the rules are different, and it could be very difficult for you to do this. But do the steps I've showed you, and I hope this is gonna help you. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video.